What's up, everybody? My name's KEEB, and I'm going to show you how I had a small loss today of $120. Nothing crazy. My bias was really not to trade today, and that's kind of why I lost, because my bias was to not trade, and I ended up trading. So you can see how that worked out for me. Here, let's switch over my screen here and show you guys what I did. What I did right, what I did wrong, what I could have done better. So I have everything marked out. All right, so the first thing, I really wanted to see London lows get swept, and then we had that. We have right here, London lows, equal lows get taken out. Bam. We tap back into this fair value gap and shoot up immediately. All right. Then what do we see? We see a break of structure on the 5-minute right here. Okay, after we put in a SMT, okay, put in SMT right here, okay, where NASDAQ took these lows, ES did not. Okay, bam, right here. Okay, we formed this fair value gap coming up. Okay, we formed this fair value gap coming up, broke structure, tapped back into it. Then I waited for a clear break of structure. Bam, we break structure on this candle on the 5-minute. Tap back into it. That was my entry. We hit our first take profit, which was these equal London highs. I moved my stop. I exited. So here's what I did wrong, okay? I would be in profit today. I would have been in profit today if I didn't decide to exit the position, okay? I exit the position after hitting the first take profit and entered again, okay? And then move my stop to under this fair value gap, and then bam, we got stopped out, losing $129, which that's fine. Okay, nothing crazy. I only made like $200 because I was very light risk. I only went in with about 5 contracts here, just because I just didn't think it was gonna be nothing too crazy. Damn, I wish I could do that. That's insane. But so yeah, entered right here on this fair value gap tap. After we have SMT put in, we tap into this hourly gap. The higher time frame is bullish. I figured with this 1 hour fair value gap, if we were going to want to move to this opening week gap, that we were going to want to see more bearish momentum. We really don't. We come down and take out London to tap into the gap again to then continue moving higher. And I honestly think that this bias here will play out. Okay. But the way, just look at price action. Price action is not moving too great. Now listen, here's the thing, okay? I would still be in this trade and would be up money technically right now if I would have just left shit alone. If I left it at the low, left my stop at the lows, had my entry right here, and just let it play out. The only thing, so the reason, now I know you're probably like, oh, well, why the fuck did you pull out then? Now listen, I pulled out because on my funded, I can't take partials, bro. It doesn't let me take partials. I either close the position, I hit 1 take profit, or I get stopped. I either hit take profit or I get stopped. Okay, so yeah, and now we've inversed this gap back up to the upside. I honestly think that yeah, this is gonna play out, bro. Like I should have definitely won this trade, but it's okay. I'm not gonna break my rules. I took a loss. I'm done. I took a loss. I'm done. I don't break my rules. I'm past that. And I already kind of broke my rules. Not really, because I don't have a rule about that. But my bias coming into the day, looking at 15-minute, I was like, dude, I'm not trading this. I'm not. We're super just fucking stupid. Tomorrow though. Tomorrow, Tuesday, I'm assuming we're going to be bullish, and then Wednesday we have news. I believe, hold up. Let's pull up our Forex factory here and check it out. I know tomorrow, yeah, okay. So we have manufacturing index, we have HPI, also have CPI. This is for Australian currency. Okay. We do have home sales. Okay. So yeah, Wednesday PM session might be juicy, not gonna lie. We have federal fund rates coming out at 2 p.m. on Wednesday. So low key, yeah, and Thursday. Unemployment rates coming out. Wait, hold up. Why do I have all this extra bullshit? I don't need any of this. I need USD. Damn, you can't even do that. That's stupid. Now, okay. Federal run fates. We have FOMC press conference at 2:30. So, which seems Thursday we may dump, depending, or it'll be higher. I assuming that with that coming out, I believe that it's supposed to be higher, so we probably will see. Just today, literally nothing. Nothing. I honestly shouldn't have traded. A no news Monday. What am I doing, dude? I know better. And like, just look at, like, this is what we look like on the 5-minute. You know what I mean? We did inverse this gap. Then you would have immediately been stopped out if you were trying to target that. It's just, we're just moving like dog water. We really are. We did inverse this 5-minute bearish gap though. And I believe that we probably will continue pushing higher now. But we wicked into this 5-minute. There's a 5-minute bearish gap right here. Wicked into. Didn't want to push higher, so yeah. I wonder if my bias does play out, it'll probably take a long time. Now, I hit first TP, okay? I hit first TP, which was these right here, these London highs. Bam, right here. Hit that. And I honestly should have just been out after that. I made like, what? I think I made like 200. I don't even think so. I think I made like 150. So, but hey, I made 300 bucks last week. So I'm still up on my account. Should pass here soon. No worries. But yeah, like looks like are we going to? Are we about to close above this swing high? Heck no. Oh, that's how you do it. Okay. Alrighty, but yeah, I'm gonna get off here, guys. That's how I day traded, making or losing a freaking $100, man. $100. Seriously, we lost $100 It's all good. We'll make it back. Almost past the account. I need like 1,500, bro. But yeah, I love you guys. You guys are amazing. You guys are my favorite species on this earth. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Discord link in the bio. Guys, join the Discord. Join the Discord. We have big things coming in the Discord. I'm going to be live trading on the stage in the Discord. All right? Come hop in there. Say what's up. Ask questions. Whatever you need to do, okay? I love you guys. I'm out of here. It's been KEEB. Love y'all. Live trading.